Hello everyone, welcome to your new channel Infinite Chemistry. In this channel we will discuss about the CSI NET GATE exams in which the NET in the special the NET and GATE exam the chemistry will be the increase chemistry, especially the inorganic chemistry. In inorganic chemistry the examiner having asking a question about more logical, less containing reagent, special only on concept wise a question asking in the exam. Now in this question, this question, and this question I will discuss about a level of the exam, and this question is a very important for the upcoming CSIR NET exam. So let's take the video till last end. Okay, now in this question I will have this compound. You will see the compound. This is the compound, and this is the compound in which having a three substituted, this compound having this substrate having a three specially three functional group having it here. See, one is a COCl3, second is a allylic substituted SiMe3 group, which is allylic substituted, and a ame. Now you will see the reagent in this question. Reagent in this question is a AlCl3. This is a Lewis acid. Here is a AlCl3. This is a Lewis acid, and CH2Cl3, which is a solvent for the reaction, and the forming this compound is a product. How to this compound will be formed in a reaction? So I will be show the mechanism of the proper this compound and this reaction. So we will just start the mechanism. So firstly I will draw the first compound, which are the substrate your at here ame and double bond SiMe3. Now sorry for that, I will be the open this COCl3 at here to explain everything to every your concept about the reaction. Now here is a given a reagent is AlCl3. This is a Lewis acid, and LCl3 is a Lewis acid, and this is having a vacant site. Here you will see the compound like SiMe3, alkene, ame, Cl, and oxygen, which have a nucleophilic site, and a more appreciate to these AlCl3 to attack. Now this chlorine having a dipole is negative, and they have a electron to push this CO group. Okay, but we also know that this chlorine is a good leaving group. So this Al3 to have a more possibility to attack at the this is a play a role as a nucleophile. Also possibility that here is this alkene also attack this LCl3, but here is a no living group, and the no more possibility to do the reaction. So we will the attack it here, and this Cl3 attack to this vacant site, and in the new new intermediate will be formed at here. I will be show to here. Sorry for the larger size of the compound Cl LCl3 LCl3, and there is a ame, and there is a alkene, and there is a SiMe3. Now this chlorine is a good living group also at here, and this dipole of the chlorine will be changed. Here is a aluminium having a dipole negative and the chlorine having a dipole positive. Through this dipole, this lone pair of the carbonyl will be attacked here and forming a new CO bond, and this chlorine will be replaced with this AlCl3, and the forming a new intermediate is a oxonium ion. Okay, see, in the next step there is a new reagent. This is a new bond with a carb-cation here generating, and there is a ame, and there is a substituted alkene, there is a SiMe3. So now the possibility in this next step is this CO double bond is like an electrophilic site. Okay, there is no possibility to attack anything anywhere is like a nucleophile. This is the only on here is a electrophile, and then there is a possibility this is a nucleophile here, and there is a two possibility to this alkene attack to this oxonium ion. Is a first possibility is a attack from this side, and the second possibility to the attack from this side. If this attack from this side and the forming the ring is a 1 2 3 4 and the 5, there is a possibility to attack from this side is a 5-membered ring is a possible, and attack from this side there is a formation of the 6-membered ring. Now I tell you one special note pointed here is always a 6-membered unsaturated ring is more favorable as compared to the 5-membered ring because of the less strain forming the chair form of the cyclohexane. Okay, now in the next step we will form the both I will be form only one. Wait, here there is a 6-membered ring which is a substituted SiMe3, and there is a new CC bond, and here is a carbonyl group, and here is a methyl, and there is a generating a carb-cation. Now in this you will see here is a one possibility at here this methyl group will be shifted, to shift of the methyl from here to here and the form a more stable product is there is a double bond O, there is a SiMe3, and there is a ame and generating a carb-cation at here. So now you will know that in a solution we have also the chlorine ion. This chlorine ion will be the attack to this SiMe3. This SiMe3 is a good leaving group. Okay, now this is a leave from here, and there is a generating the anionic. This bond push their electron from this side and this carbocation will be replacing from here. Now in next step you will have there is a bond, new CC bond, and there is a carbonyl group at here. Now in a next step we can, in the presence of acid which have a H plus ion, which have take here also the possibility to the H plus ion gaining by this alkene and this carbonyl group, and this alkene both having a possibility to forming the H plus ion bond with H plus ion, but the carbonyl group having a lone pair which attack more possible to attack at here, because this is a more electronically negative. So in the next step H plus ion will be attacked here and forming the bond with oxygen, generating a positive charge here due to the loss of their lone pair. This charge is a loss of the lone pair only, okay, no other charge. Now the deficiency of this lone pair to gaining by this alkene attack it here, and new form will be there H plus ion and there is OH plus. This is tautomerized with alkene and C double bond O, and this H plus ion will be removed from here, and the final product we will have a C double bond O and Me at here. This is the final product we have. Now this, thanks. If you like, then share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is my first video, so if any mistake in this video, so you ignore that, and if you like, then like this and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.